Electric garage heaters keep us going in that screen-free sanctuary that is the tinkerer's garage. From keeping the hands warm and pliable to preventing a wobbly shiver, having a nice heater in your garage will keep you working even during the coldest winter or late autumn freezes. Plus, they reduce fumes and gases being poured into a confined garage. After all, garages already have enough problems with exhausts and chemicals to begin with. However, styles of garage heaters vary tremendously and have a wide variety of features, form factors, and usage conditions. It can be difficult to sort through. This is exactly why we've collected the best electric garage heaters in a variety of styles for you to choose from. Number 1. HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Edition. The HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Edition is perfect for those dreary cold mornings when the thought of leaving the comforts of your home for even a minute fills you with dread. You can remotely turn it on via Wi-Fi to warm up the garage before you even get there. It will provide good heat for 150 square feet around it and supplemental heat for a full 1,000 square feet. It attaches firmly to the wall, so if you have it installed in the area near your house or in your car, you'll be able to hop in your car with maximum comfort. The HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Edition has robust safety features, including a child lock and automatic shut-off in case of overheating. If you decide to buy the optional feet that convert the wall mount into a freestanding model, there is even tip-over protection. Furthermore, the HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Edition has an internal air filter that can help clean your air and increase environmental safety while using this heater. Another bonus of the HeatStorm Phoenix Wi-Fi Edition is its inclusion of an actual UI. For the most part, even the best electric garage heaters include only a knob or two, with low/high heat settings at best. On the other hand, this electric garage heater has a full touchscreen UI with a built-in digital thermostat. It's just a lot better, presentation-wise, than most of the competition. Number 2. Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool HP07. When we looked at the best space heaters, a Dyson stood out for its multi-tool-like ability to get a lot done in the hobbyist's garage setting. Namely, it warms up your locale when it's cold, cools when it's hot, and constantly removes dust and other particles. The air that runs through the Dyson HP07, a step-up model from our original space heater pick, also gets run through HEPA and carbon filters, which trap up to 99.97% of allergens as small as 0.3 microns, one of the reasons a Dyson also places so highly in our best air purifiers roundup. The small LCD screen identifies pollutants and shows the air quality of the room as well as the current temperature. Then, it uses a bladeless fan, aka air multiplier, to disperse warm or cool air at a rate of 77 gallons per second in an oscillating pattern. At the end of the day, this makes the Dyson HP07 the best year-round electric garage heater. It is the perfect way to treat your garage's air throughout the year, and unlike a lot of heaters, you won't feel like it is merely taking up space for half the year, or more. Number 3. Comfort Zone CZQTV5M. There are 2 reasons to have a ceiling-mounted garage heater: saving floor space and having a way to concentrate heat onto the top of the workbench. The Comfort Zone CZQTV5M handles both and avoids the frustration of overhead heat rising, not falling onto the person below it. The secret is that the Comfort Zone CZQTV5M is an infrared heater. Awarded the best ceiling mount category in our assessment of the best infrared heaters, the infrared heat travels in a beam-like fashion, heating what it hits, not the air. In practice, this means that your hands, busy at work, will stay well heated and comfortable. Another issue the Comfort Zone CZQTV5M circumvents is lighting. Having a freestanding lamp close to a heater could be awkward or unsafe. The included halogen lamp is what makes this one of the best electric garage heaters. No matter what time it is or how cold it is, you can see and feel your warm and toasty hands while using the Comfort Zone CZQTV5M. Number 4. Dr. Heater DR966. If you are willing to go the 240 volts way, or live in a region where 240 volts appliances are more accessible, you should consider the Dr. Heater DR996. It is tough, thanks to the hard metal exterior that can take a knocking or two. But it also provides good heat, with high and low settings at an impressive 3000 and 6000 watts, respectively. While the fan helps a bit with space heating, the Dr. Heater DR996 is an infrared heater, so it will tend to give directional heating. This is a good thing in many ways, with customers reporting receiving quality heat even from as far as 12 feet away or more. At the same time, reports of a finicky thermostat are less surprising due to the heating style. Number 5. Lasco Space Heater. This affordable space heater provides one person with enough heat anywhere in the garage. Its small size makes it suitable to place on tabletops or down by your feet next to the workbench. This is one of the best electric garage heaters for a small space, and usually just one person, so you'll likely want to move it about quite a bit. That should be easy with the Lasco, as it is only 2.9 pounds and has a carry handle embedded in the back. Finding a place to put it should also not be a challenge. Attaching a heater to an extension cord or power strip is generally frowned upon, but the Lasco has an 8-foot cord, giving you a large amount of control over placement in your garage, so long as it has adequate plugs. Finally, the Lasco is a very safe machine, at least as far as heaters go. It is ETL listed for safety and has tip-over protection. So, if you do happen to place it somewhere unstable, which is bound to happen if you move it as often as is intended, you won't have to worry, as much, about a major incident occurring as a result.